novel that was really creating history in the literature world, especially in Pakistan. The work of Bapsi Sibha, really the Ice Candy Man. What you are going to read, this is something very important. It's a play based on partition. She was the first novelist who had worked out on this certain topic, frankly, in the topic of partition, and write a beautiful play that is known as Ice Candyman. Here, it depicted the partition, the crisis, and the bloodshed. Over the crisis, lots of murders, rapes, and the inhumanity of humans was shown in this particular play through the eyes of a 4-year girl who was being disabled and write down everything in detail. As she didn't go through the adult world and seen everything, as she was the eyewitness who's seen everything goes on, how the story moves on, what was the basic character, how can we rule out the certain important characters that are really important to know the story. Let's start with the basic theme of the Ice Candyman, as the depicted the story or the title being appropriate for the antagonist of the play, the Ice Candyman. We don't have the exact name of that particular guy who was really a very much jolly character in the beginning of the play. Turned out to be the antagonist as due to the religious values or the religious terms. It was a play that was depicted in Lahore, especially in Lahore, where the partition incident was going on. अब यहाँ पे जाना जरूरी है कि स्टोरी में क्या हो रहा है, हाउ स्टोरी मूव्स ऑन। तो पहले क्लियर करते हैं बिरसा बाबा ने जब वर्कआउट करते हैं तो कहानी में स्टोरी के कैरेक्टर को देने के लिए एक 4 साल की लड़की, व्हेन द स्टोरी बिगिन शी वाज जस्ट 4, ठीक है, एंड टर्न आउट बीन व्हेन द 4 इयर्स बीन पास्ड आउट। पूरे कैरेक्टर को डिफाइन किया गया कैसे, शी वाज बीन लिविंग विद आया, एग्जैक्टली शी वाज बीन लिविंग विद आया हु वाज रियली विद हिम इन थ्रू आउट द जर्नी ऑफ द प्ले। वो आया के साथ हर जगह जाती है। थ्रू हर शी हैज सीन द एडल्ट वर्ल्ड, द सोसाइटी, एज शी वाज द ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल, द आया मस्ट दैट around 18, she was the age of the 18, and how the people looks of her, the people, those who are living at that town or those who are coming there. She's seen all that. She's seen her romantic affairs with a certain people, such as the Ice Candyman in the beginning. We say that. Then there is a certain other character, those are being very important for the development of play. कहानी में क्या है कुछ जानने के लिए पहले कैरेक्टर्स को समझना जरूरी है। हाउ द कैरेक्टर्स गोज ऑन, कौन सी चीजें हैं जिनको जानना जरूरी होगा। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ द आइस कैंडीमैन। द फर्स्ट वी हैव the Lenny Sethi, the protagonist of the story. Yeah, she was the protagonist story, the center figure who will tell you everything through her own eyes. Before going further about, I just want you people to have a notebook and a pen along with you so that you can write down the certain important points, such as the very first, the main protagonist of the Ice Candyman is a Parsi girl. You need to write on this. She's a Parsi girl. Now, Lenny Sethi. Her narrative begins when she is 4 and ends 4 years later. ये points आपके दिमाग में होने चाहिए. Then हमने बोला एक Parsi girl जो कि handicapped थी. She was not able to move properly due to her physical illness. And then we have a character of Aya, the maid, around 18 years of age. 18 साल के आसपास की एज है। She was well known lady, ठीक है। She accompanied everywhere she go along with Lenny Sethi. तो यहाँ पे she don't have much time with her mother and her father. They have a mind role in the story. लेकिन कहाँ पे क्या इन्फ्लुएंस है, एक एक कैरेक्टर को डिफाइन किया गया है, हमें जानना जरूरी है। वो अपने वर्ल्ड को थ्रू द आई ऑफ आया देखती है। The Ice Candyman, I must say, the antagonist of the play. He was the guy who was really in a very good picture. Just बहुत ही अच्छे पिक्चर में दिखाया गया. He was very much, I must say that the kind-hearted, or the one who helps, or the one who flirts a lot with the Aya, but at the end had changed the personality and turned out to be the antagonist of the story. And then we have the Masood, the Indian guy, the Hindu guy, मतलब not Indian, the Hindu guy over there, the Hindu guy who was murdered by the mob. It was not being possible that who had killed him. It was the mob. The religious tension was going on, and that was really very much being shown by the writers in a very perfect manner, where the godmother supposed to be the grandmother of Lenny Sethi. She was a great influence over the society. She really works out very well, and she was the one who made Aya to came back Only she was responsible to make come back Aya from prostitution, as she was held by the Muslims for to have sex with an Indian girl. And then we have the godmother, now cousin of Lani Sethi. The first encounter where we get to know the adult circumstances of Lani Sethi, how she get to know about the cousin and what the relation between they both do share, and how the story proceeds. For that you need to go through the deep readings of the play. Then we have the slave sister, the younger sister of godmother. Yeah, the younger sister of godmother, she do have an important role in the particular play. उसके बाद राणा the great grandson of the cook of cities, Imam Din. We need to learn that he do have a short but important role. Adi, the younger brother of Lenny, he was 3 when the story begins. With the relation between both brothers and sisters and how it all goes on, उसके changes क्या आते हैं, किन चीजों को highlight किए, एक एक चीज जानना जरूरी है. फिर आता है हमारे पास कर्नल बॉचा, the doctor, exactly the doctor, the president of past party. पारसी कम्युनिटी का प्रेसिडेंट है, उसका इन्फ्लुएंस है, स्टोरी में एक माइनर रोल है लेकिन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है जिसको नोट करना जरूरी है. Then we came back to the mother and a father. The mother, exactly the mother of Lani Sethi. She do have a role to play in the story, not much, but she stands firm at the end of the story. She starts working to make her livelihood at the end. She was a firm standing for the sake of Parsi community. And the father, he was the one who just run out from his responsibilities. He just do the basics for the family. No more role in the play. Imam Din, the cook, having an essential role in the story from the beginning till the last. The cook of Imam Sethi's family. You need to work out that one. And then there is a circumstance that you need to clear about the writer. वो राइटर ने करने क्या कोशिश की है, नॉवलिस्ट है, पाकिस्तानी है, एंड द बेस्ट राइटर शी हैज राइट डाउन अमंग अस माय फेवरेट. तो आपने कहा इसके अंदर उसने क्या किया, व्हाट शी ट्राइड टू डू अगेन ऑफ बिप्सा सिल्वा. आई रिपीट, द नॉवल आइस कैंडीमैन डिपिक्ट द सर्कमस्टेंसेस at the time of India Pakistan partition. Really, it was the novelist who ruled out the partition incident that shows a lot of bloodshed and rapes and all inhuman activity of man. यहाँ ये एक्टिविटीज को शो करना एक नॉवलिस्ट कैसे शो करता है, व्हाट आर द बेसिक सर्कमस्टेंसेस जो इंपॉर्टेंट उसने हाईलाइट किए हैं. दिस स्टोरी मेजरली रिवॉल्व अराउंड इन लाहौर. The whole story majorly moves around Lahore, where the certain family members of Parsi family, I repeat, the Parsi family rule out करते हैं, जिनके चारों तरफ स्टोरी मूव करती है, जिनमें स्पेशली आया का रोल इंपॉर्टेंट है और बाकी कैरेक्टर्स आइस कैंडीमैन is really very important. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास इंपॉर्टेंट है what are the certain important themes such as the essay topics. We need to clear the themes. Number 1, I repeat, the religious intolerance. ये आपको याद रखनी है. Themes. Religious intolerance, the first thing that you need to work out by the novelist in a real manner. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपने कहा रिलीजियस इंटॉलरेंस, हाँ थी, कहीं ना कहीं वर्कआउट हो रही है, क्या चीज आ रही है, क्या हाईलाइट किया गया, एक एक चीज को बताया गया. And the second thing that is really very important, that's a lust and sexual desires. The second one, lust and sexual desires. Highlight के शुरू से लेकर आखिर तक, what was the cause to really make Aya by the people of the at the end of the story. That is works out here. She was in prostitution, somebody says she was in brothel, somebody says she was living in the hell, or somebody says she had died. We don't have a complete picture as the writer depicted over there, that the godmother makes her to come back through her influence, but she was not as she was born. वो नहीं थी, वो बदल चुकी थी पूरी तरह. She had gone through a trauma, man. वापस आई तो उसका क्या हुआ, we don't have a complete glimpse of that picture. And then last one, the powerful obsession. The powerful obsession is the last theme. These are the important themes of the Ice Candyman. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with other people so the other too can share and see this video. Bye.